we are unboxing my new laptop. And as usual, I don't have scissors. Oh my god. I wish you guys had seen that. That freaked me out. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheryl. If you're new, welcome to the C Squad. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. Today we are back with another video. I am super excited for this video, and as you can tell by the title, we are unboxing my new laptop. So this actually arrived yesterday, but I wasn't feeling too well. I'm actually down with COVID at the moment, and I wasn't even gonna film today. Like, I'm literally in the pits, but I just thought I needed some joy. I just needed to bring some joy to my life, so here we are. So here lies my new baby, my new laptop. I'm so excited. Let me just give you guys a bit of background. By the way, as you can see, I have my humidifier going off and everything. Like, I am sick. Like, I am with COVID, she is with me. We are together. Anyway, so I have had my laptop since before first year. I graduated 6 months ago, so we have been together for a while, but she is dying, and it is a very slow and painful death. If you guys watched my YouTube equipment video, then you will know that I use Filmora X to edit my videos, and let's just say the last few months of editing have not been fun. It has been like extremely slow to edit on my laptop. At some point, I even got my hardware upgraded because I thought it would help speed up my laptop and that way I could edit faster. It didn't work out. Now my fan has been going berserk. She just like goes off whenever. Before it wasn't like that bad. I had it go off a few times in like a Zoom meeting, which was really embarrassing because there's nothing else that I could do aside from just sit there and wait for it to stop. Before, it used to go off for like 20 seconds, but now she can literally go off for half an hour. The fan just going insane. It's been a struggle. Everything is super slow. I can barely edit videos. It's taking me twice the amount of time and effort to edit, so I just really needed a new laptop specifically for editing YouTube videos. I'm not gonna lie, I am still a fan of my laptop, especially since it is a Windows, but for the last like year and a half, I have been wanting a MacBook specifically so that I could use an editing software called Final Cut Pro, which a lot of YouTubers use. I swear every YouTuber I watch has a MacBook and edits with Final Cut Pro. Like, once I saw K Republic get it, I was like, no, this is actually like, this needs to happen, but I didn't have the money. I was a broke, struggling student, but it's been a while now, couple of months, and I've been saving and working hard, so I'm really proud of myself. This is like my first purchase of my own, like my first laptop. It's my biggest tech purchase, so I'm really happy, and I just wanted to share this moment with you guys because it directly affects you guys. If I have a faster laptop, hopefully that means I can push out videos a little bit faster and more efficiently. So I've actually never had a MacBook of my own. The last time I used a MacBook was probably in primary school. I went to Crawford College, in case anybody was wondering. People always ask me that. I went to Crawford for my last 2 years of primary school and then Crawford College for my entire high school. So we used to have like MacBooks for like different school projects and stuff, so like we would share and like do little projects on there, but I've never actually like owned my own, so it's also gonna be me learning how to use a MacBook. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I didn't know what kind to get. I literally was so stumped. I was like, I have no idea. So I actually just went on the Apple Store website. There's like a way for you to chat with a specialist. I pretty much spoke to this guy and I pretty much told him exactly what I wanted the laptop for, that I wanted it for YouTube and I wanted to edit videos, I wanted to use Final Cut, I needed this, and this is the laptop that he recommended me. Let's open this. Like, literally, I'm ready. Okay. And just like that, she's here. Okay, so when I spoke to the guy at Apple, he recommended that I get a 16-inch screen, since obviously I edit my videos. It's better to just have a bigger screen to see my videos. And then he actually recommended 512 gigabytes. I ended up going with a terabyte just in case. I do edit on an external hard drive, but you never know when I might need to change up the way that I edit. So I just thought it would be better to have more storage than less. To be be honest, the rest of the specs don't really mean much to me. I know I'm a computer science student, but like as long as it runs faster than my current one, I'm gonna be happy. And I know they've introduced an M1 Pro and a Pro Max chip, something like that. This one is the M1 Pro, so that is also supposed to make editing a little bit faster. Okay, I guess we're opening it. And as usual, I don't have scissors. Oh my god, this is so surreal. Okay, this probably seems so stupid, but like this is ridiculously exciting for me because I feel like I can't believe that it's actually like here in my hands, because the amount of times I kept saying to my dad, like in the last year and a half, I would always just be like, yeah, when I get my MacBook, like I just kind of kept speaking it, and now it's like here, and she's massive. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, this is gonna work up the sweat. This is like a huge chunk of the size. Wow, it's massive. And there she is. Oh my gosh. I don't even know which side. Oh, okay. I don't even know how a laptop works apparently. Oh my god. I wish you guys had seen that. That freaked me out. Apple sure does know how to be dramatic. I'll give them that much. Wow, that's insane. Okay, so I hope that wasn't anticlimactic, but that's kind of it for me. I kind of have to sit and figure out how to use this because, as I said before, I've never had like a MacBook of my own. I really do think the last time I even used one was that long ago. So it's gonna be fun this afternoon, me trying to figure everything out. This has definitely cheered me up. I think my COVID just went away. Let me take a COVID test. Maybe I'll be negative. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see me figure out how to use Final Cut, like in terms of like a vlog or whatever, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be very interesting, then you guys can comment down below. I probably will be trying to figure out how to edit using this video, so I'll probably use this video as like my draft to figure things out a little bit, because it will be like a shorter video and it's more set down. It'll be a bit easier for me to edit that way. I'm in the middle of doing my Christmas vlogs, so I'm definitely going to continue doing that on my current laptop because it just takes a long time to get used to a different editing software. And if anybody is wondering why I'm not using iMovie, that's just because everybody uses Final Cut Pro and I just like want to jump right in there. But anyway, I gotta get going. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the C Squad, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!